Welcome to the EE-iGraph tool demonstration video. To upload a schema matching results for visualization and editing, we simply follow these steps. First, we click on the menu button, then we click on the add button, then the upload panel will show up, then we upload the corresponding files for visualization. You can find the demonstration file in the GitHub page under the folder of demonstration files. So first, we upload the schema matching results. Then we upload the text provenance files. And lastly, we upload the zip folder contains all the images for the provenance images. Over here is the graph panel. To navigate across the graph, we can drag the panel around. We also can drag the nodes around as long as it is convenient for event analysts to view the graph. We also can scroll for zoom in and zoom out. Furthermore, there are also zoom in and zoom out buttons in the bottom left corner. Next is the center position to help user navigate back to the center of the graph. And at the bottom right corner, there is also a minimap. You can drag, zoom to help user navigate on the map. Due to the result graph contain the schema matching results of the event extraction graph and the source document, hence there are three types of node. First, the match event, which are the red nodes in the graph. Second, the event found in the event extraction graph but not found in the source document is called the predicted event, and they are colored blue. Lastly, the event found in the source documents but not found in the event extraction graph is called the source-only event, and they colored in yellow. The events are connected by relations, and in the graph there are: first, it is causal relation, which is shown by the children gates of OR and SOR, along with all the possible events outcome from the graph. The diamond node is a chapter event, which you can click to it to see all the event outcomes. Also, there is the primitive node, which is in the circle shape. Depicted, there are no subnodes after the event. Second, the temporal relation, which is shown by the gray edge from left to right, denotes that the event on the left happens before the events on the right. For each of the nodes, you can add a new event outcome at the subnode by right-click into the parent node and click Add. For instance, over here, I add a new event internal conflict to the planning parent node. After that, we can say the internal conflict happens before the planning event. Then we can drag from the end of the internal conflict to the planning event to establish a temporal relation between those two events. In the same manner, if you can see the temporal link is not correct, you can also delete the edge by clicking on the edge and click delete. Otherwise, if you want to change the temporal relation to another event, you can drag one of the edge ends to the events you desire. You can also group multiple events by clicking on Shift, and after that, drag to cover all the events. And then, you right-click and click on the Group button to group all those events into a chapter event. If you click into any event, the event information panel will show up. In the panel, there are the name of the event, description of the event, and the type of the event extracted from the Wikidata. At the bottom, there is an argument table to store all the related information, such as location, agents, and theme of the event. To show all the provenance extracted from the source document for the event, simply click on Show Source button. To see the whole context paragraph of the provenance, click on the paragraph button in the middle. If you want to change the text band, simply click on the Edit button and drag to reselect the new text band. If you click on the last button, it will bring you to the source document of the provenance. Similarly, for image provenance, you can reselect the bounding trigger by drag and expand the bounding box to fit with the object you want to present for the provenance. For the participant table, there are column row on the left and the entities belong to that row are on the right columns. You can click on the entity to view its provenance. To edit the table, you simply click on Edit Table button. You can reorganize the rank of the importance of the row by clicking on the up and down button. You can edit the entities related to each row by clicking on the Edit button, and after that, you choose the entity from the drop-down list to add. After you edit, you can save the change by clicking on the Edit button once again. To view the global entity list, you click on the main menu button and then click on the list icon. By clicking on the entity toggle button, you highlight all of the events related to that entity. If users want to target all the low confidence events gotten from the schema matching results, they can scroll the confidence bar to get all the events in the desired range. Lastly, to save the edited schema file, you click on the menu button, then Save button. After that, choose the schema format and click Download.